I'm Gabriel Pryor and I'm Regional Operations Manager for Pasquill. The products we manufacture at Redhill are primarily roof trusses, and then we do joists, which is I-joists, and posi joists, which is metal web. We also do clad panels, also known as spandrel panels. To help the merchants in the sector, we kind of take the problem away from them as they may see it. We will talk to the end user as quickly as possible so that we can actually find out what the end user wants and advise them on the best possible design and product to meet their needs. And then at the same time, we'll give the local merchant team training because we can take away all the hassle from the merchant. We also provide a service where we can, if needed, go on site and do site measures. So if you're matching into an existing building where there's a roof that's been damaged and you need to put in replacements, we've got specialists in the field who can go out, take measurements and advise there and then on the actual best course of action and the best design to suit the problem that they have. The fact that we've got segregated design teams where we focus on the national and local, which are two very different types of customers, I think we're quite unique in that, because especially at this site here where we're very much a local focused company, where between 80 and 90% of what we do is for the local market. And the customer can come in if they're referred to us by the local merchant, and they can sit with the designer, take out the plans, they can go through the drawing with them, because sometimes what the architect says is possible isn't always possible. And we've got the expertise here on hand, and we can actually show them an efficient way of building the trusses for their project. We offer a full product range of timber engineered solutions. We've got everything from trusses right through to cassettes. Laser setup technology we have in place at this branch has been on trial for the last number of months. So we've got 2 lasers at Redhill, and they've proved to be very successful since we installed them. We're now going to completely fit out the Redhill bed with 5 lasers, and then we intend to roll out the installation program across the rest of our major sites in the following months. There's 4 key benefits to the laser setup technology. First one being the reduction in setup time, where you actually set up the first truss. Second one, cycle time, where you're making numerous trusses after that. Third being the training factor, where we're bringing in new people into the business. It's very quick to train people up using this technique now to set up a truss. And number 4 is the quality and the reliability you get with using the lasers. The key thing with the lasers is the benefit it gives you when you're fitting plates, because we have a tolerance of plus or minus 5 mil, and then with the laser, the plate is projected, and all the operator has to just place the plate on there. The whole process from start to finish obviously starts with a quote. We obviously send that out. We win the order. We prepare the design on our MBA software. The designer then creates DXF files, which are transferred to the workstation on the shop floor. The operators can then access the workstation on the shop floor, projecting the truss profile onto the bed. At that point then setup can take place, and then the cycle time on each of the trusses precedes that. We've invested quite a bit in CapEx in Redhill, through the support of Saint-Gobain, who've backed us ever since we've been brought into the group.